What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, we're going to talk about live AI that has now been added to the Meta AI glasses. I'm going to show you how to activate it and how to use it, pause it, stop it, all of that. So let me first show you the controls on how to activate it. Hey Meta, live AI on.
Live AI session with video starting now.
Hey Meta, live AI pause.
Pausing live AI session. Tap to resume.
So I paused it now. If I want to resume it, all I got to do is just tap the side and that will unpause it. So I'm going to tap it.
Resuming live AI session with video.
And then to stop it, I can tap and hold the touchpad. I can say end session.
Live AI session ended.
So they have that option. You can say, hey Meta, stop live AI, or just plain end session, or tap and hold the side of the touchpad. I was wondering what color I could paint these walls instead of white.
Considering the cozy atmosphere and the light-colored hardwood floor, a warm beige or a soft gray could complement the space nicely. These colors would add a touch of warmth and depth to the room without overpowering the natural light.
So as you can see, it's listening to what I'm saying. I don't have to do the keyword. I can ask it questions, obviously, just like I would on regular AI, but it's just very natural. You don't have to stop it or anything like that. You can kind of like go along as you speak to it. Can you think of anything I can make with these two things?
You can make a delicious banana bread with these two ingredients. The bananas will add natural sweetness and moisture, while the bread will provide a nice texture and base for the loaf.
Can you tell me more about this book?
Ready to Catch Holiday Spirit is a children's book that is part of a series by Adam Wallace and Andy Elkerton. It's a fun and festive story that's perfect for the holiday season.
Do you know what the ratings are on this?
Ready to Catch Holiday Spirit has a 4.5-star rating on Amazon and a 4.5-star rating on Goodreads.
So what's great with it is you can just naturally have a conversation with it. You can ask it anything that you would just on the regular AI. It's just more of the natural aspect of it, that it's always running. You don't have to access the keyword. Again, it's just always there. So I love that aspect of it. You also have to remember that using it in like a museum or some place that you want to know more about, just naturally asking it instead of accessing that keyword all the time is way more natural and way more helpful and useful. Now, not having live AI is not the end of the world. You will eventually get it. It's with version 15 and later, but ultimately you have it more or less in terms of always accessing the keyword, but having it naturally flow is pretty cool to have. It will use a lot more battery life, obviously, as well, but it's a really cool feature now that we have in our Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Link down below if you want to pick these up. I have a ton of videos of these on my channel, a whole playlist, so check that out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.